Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my
channel. It's me again.
So guys, this is a channel invasion. Ako muna ang bahala sa vlog ni Jane habang siya nagtatrabaho. So guys, sa episode na to ay isa-isayin natin yung mga gamit na ni Jane na ginagamit niya sa pagbablog. So simula sa tripod, sa camera, basic camera, sa mic, sa laptop na ginagamit namin at sa software na pinang-edit ko ng mga vlogs niya. So guys, samahan nyo ako, isa-isayin natin. Tara, let's go! Hi guys, so we started vlogging with this phone, an iPhone XX 128GB. So meron siyang output na 1080. First, we got this Joby Gorillapod. So, Gorillapod of Joby got 4 variants. I think we got the 5K, the 3K, 1K, and yung pinakamaliit yung para sa mobile. So, we got this 5K with a maximum weight capacity of obviously 5 kilos. And then followed by the 3K. So this one is for 5K. So why we chose Joby Gorillapod? Because pwede mo siyang gawing selfie stick or normal tripod, table tripod. Since versatile siya, pwede mong i-bend yung mga legs niya para maging selfie stick like this, as you can see. And then pwede mo siyang gawin na normal tripod lang like this, or pag nasa labas ka to have a shoot outside, since bendable yung mga legs niya, pwede mo siyang i-attach sa mga bars or trees, barks like this, mga poste, pwede mo siya ikabit. Kaya versatile siya sa labas. So one of the key features is this Asus quick release plate. So mas madali siyang ikabit, hindi mo na kailangan mag-screw ng paulit-ulit sa camera mo. You just have to place this plate to your camera and attach it here sa platform. And then we got the ball head that na-rotate siya 360 degrees. Okay. Plus this platform is umiikot ng 360 degrees for panoramic shots. Aside from that, just in case masira yung ball head mo, napapalitan ng buo yung platform. Just like that. So, may iwan. Pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin platform para sa camera mo if you don't need a ball head. And then, in case masira yung ball head mo, pwede mong palitan. So, nakatipid ka kahit pa paano. Hindi mo papalitan yung buong unit. So, that goes for the Gorillapod. So guys, next na tripod namin is itong Andoer QZ270 tripod. So ito siya. Okay. So kaya namin binili itong Andoer is kasi yung una naming tripod. So we decided na bumili ng isang tripod para hindi siya dependent yung mga kuha niya. So itong Andoer is 57 inches tall, maximum maximum height niya. Ang timbang niya around siguro mga 1 kilo to 1.5 kilos. So ganun din. So it has a 4 levels ng height from the legs. I think 4 or 5. 4, I think 5. Plus 2 stages sa pinaka ball head niya. So guys, next is our ring light. So as you can see from Tolifo. Tolifo is the brand. So yung ring light namin is 18 inches with 2 colors, white and yellow. So depende kung anong gusto nyo. For studio light, for taking pictures, ginagamit namin tong yellow light. And for videos, for vloggings, we use the color yung white. So it comes with a phone holder. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, so pakitayin ko muna to. And then tira na lang yung platform for the camera. See? And then guys, para sa editing, I'm currently using this Asus Republic of Gamers GL502V. So may 16GB RAM siya plus i7 7th series. And then for the software, ginagamit namin is Filmora Wondershare. So hindi siya free, unfortunately. Kasi pag tinry namin siya before na mag-record ng video, but meron siyang watermark. So wala kaming makitang ibang software na maayos gamitin or madaling gamitin na free. So we purchased Filmora 9. Although merong Filmora Pro, hindi naman kami pro. Kaya dito muna kami sa Filmora 9, which sineserve naman niya yung kanyang purpose sa amin. Kasi madali siyang gamitin, lahat nandito na, and then meron kang mga built-in effects, and then transitions, makikita nyo naman. So madali siyang gamitin, and meron kang mga downloadable effects. Pansin nyo, ayan, tatapos ko lang mag-edit last night para kaya upload niya na next. So tune in nyo. So guys, last but not the least, yung camera, main camera na ginagamit namin for Jheng's vlogging, from Canon EOS N50 yeah, with lens kit 15 to 45 millimeters, and with image stabilizer, as you can see, with Rode Videomic Go. So bakit ito yung napili namin na camera for vlogging? Actually wala akong alam. So nagtingin ako ng reviews ng mga nagvlog kung ano yung normally na camera na ginagamit nila, and medyo maganda ang review ng EOS M50 compared sa other cameras like Sony and Fujifilm X8. Hindi ko alam kung yun yung mga model type niya. And then we have the attachment na Rode mic. So for us, ito yung pinaka affordable na Rode mic na maganda ang review. So I think na-cover ko na lahat. Kung meron man kaming idadagdag, so idadagdag na lang namin yun sa in case na magkaroon kami ng bagong tools or equipments na idadagdag sa pagbablog niya, idadagdag na namin sa susunod na video. So for now, yun muna guys. I hope you stay tuned for Jheng's future videos, and don't forget to click like on our channel, and please do subscribe para hindi kayo mawala sa mga susunod ng video. Okay guys, bye! Hope guys, hindi nga pala paid advertisement to. Sa lahat to, binili namin ng personal money namin. Walang naging donation, walang naging product endorsement. Lahat po ito ay out of pocket. So, yun lang.